What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video you're going to learn about how to connect the Jira with the Claude. So for that the process is very simple, easy and to the point. Make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So first thing first is to open up the desktop application over here. Go to the plus icon and go to the connectors. Over here just go to the add connectors option on the top, then go to the browse connectors. So for that it will take a few seconds till it open up. Once it will open up, you will see something like this. If you go ahead and search Jira, this is something that you will see in return. Wait till it's load up. Yep. So the thing is, the Jira doesn't actually have a native connector available on the cloud, but as you know that the parent application of Jira is Atlassian Rovo, which is also the parent application of Confluence, Trello, and many other things. You guys can actually access Jira using the Atlassian Rovo connector. So this is something that many of you people don't actually know about. So if you guys see that the tools that is available, get Jira issue, edit Jira issue, create Jira issue, get transition for Jira issue. So all the Jira tools are available over here. So for that you just need to connect on that. Let me get back to it real quick, and yep, so let's go ahead and search it up again so that we'll be able to go ahead and click on the Atlassian Rovo. Now what you have to do is to click on connect, and it will redirect you to another page on the Google Chrome that you're using. So once you're on the new page, you just have to authenticate your Claude, and after that authenticate your Atlassian account. Once you do that, you will be able to connect it with your Claude. So that's pretty much it for the video. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.